Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about the Range AFM disabler for the 2016 Silverado. This is going to go across the board with all of the different Range products that are the AFM disablers. Before this video starts, I just want to ask you guys to go ahead and click that like button down below to help the channel out and help get this video out there more. Of course, comment any questions you have down below and subscribe to the channel for future videos. But let's get right into it. If you do not know what this is, basically in the 2016 Chevy, at least with my 2016 Chevy, I think it's between like 2000, I think it's up to 2020 even they have it. But basically what it is it's going to disable that V4 to V8 switch mode, which is when you're driving, you'll see in the bottom right hand of your like little info screen, it's going to say in green that it's in V4 mode, which just means it's in V4 mode, so it's only running on 4 cylinders versus running on the full 8. Now the reason it does that is to, of course, save gas and get a better gas mileage, where you're not really actually getting anything that much better for what it is. I think it can be clunky. It feels like the truck's almost like jolting sometimes. The shift doesn't feel smooth. It doesn't really feel that good. There's a lot of other issues that people have said that you can get, internal issues with your engine and stuff like that in the longevity of owning one of these trucks due to the AFM. So basically what this little $200 piece of plastic does is it plugs into your port down here. What you're going to do is just go ahead and click that in there. I'll show it on the screen right now. So it's going to let it blink blue a bunch of times, which is then going to tell you the different modes that it's in or whatever. You look on their website. I'll put the link down below. There'll also be a link to the Amazon link to purchase it if you are looking to get yourself one. But yeah, so then it's going to go solid blue. Once it's solid blue, you're good to go ahead and crank that truck up, and it's going to go ahead and activate. Whenever you jump in the truck, you should be able to just start it up and it'll load itself and you'll be good to go. Now, I personally wanted this because I put a aftermarket exhaust on the truck. I think I put an MBRP Catback. I'll put the link down below. It's like the installer series or something like that. So if I can find it, I'll put the link down there. I'll also try and put a sound clip at the end if you guys want that. But yeah, so once that's blue, you're good to go. And when you don't have one of these and you're switching between the V4 and the V8 mode, you're gonna get this weird kind of helicopter noise here inside the cabin, and it's awful. I hated that. I already had the AFM when I installed that because I just wanted the disabler anyway. So I'd purchased it just before, and then I threw the exhaust on, obviously, and then I didn't have the issue. But the few times that I've taken it out to like test different things and see if my truck was broken because of that or for something else, it was awful again, and the sound was even worse. And yeah, so basically what I'm saying is it's definitely worth it whether you're going to put an exhaust on it or not. Overall, I think it does help the truck. Your gas mileage, people have said that theirs goes up, people have said that it goes down, people have said it stays the same. I think I've kind of found that it stays the same. I don't think it affects it that much to the point where I'm even noticing it when I'm looking as far as gas mileage goes. One thing that they do warn you about is that if you leave your truck off or don't start it for a day or two, your battery might die and you'll have to jump it. So that's just one thing to keep note of. If you are going to, you're going to be going away or something, go ahead and pop that baby out. If the truck's not going to be started for a few days, so you don't go ahead and drain your battery. I did that and it hasn't been the same since. I've been having to hit it with a jumper box some days because I don't start it up for a few days. And overall, it's just really not that great. That's going to be about it for this video, guys. Make sure you click that like button down below, of course. And, of course, comment any questions you have about the Range AFM disabler. Like I said, it's definitely a go-to product. Link will be at the top of the description to go ahead and download it. And, of course, subscribe to stay updated with future content. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.